2024 Chinese carmaker BYD has released a plug-in hybrid truck product named Shark, which is the first of a kind in this company. This new vehicle is currently available for sale in Mexico and Australia, where it competes with the Ford Ranger, Chevy Colorado, or Toyota Hilux, etc. It comes equipped with PHEV technology, allowing it to travel up 100 kilometers on electric power alone, or more than 800 kilometers in total distance covered. The maximum output achieved by 430 HP enables the car accelerate from 0-97 km/h, 0-60 mph in just 5.7 seconds, among other features that make it modern and convenient for users who need pickup trucks. Generally, the 2024 BYD Shark is really persuasive to truck buyers who want a green, rugged, and capable pickup truck. If a new pickup truck is what you are looking for, and the Shark is available in your market, then it's definitely worth your consideration.